You learn that the Little Lemon restaurant website is facing some issues. Adrian, one of the co-owners of the Little Lemon restaurant, noticed they are not getting many orders or reservations on their website. He likes the old look and feel, but recognizes something needs to be done. Adrian knows you are interested in user experience and user interface, or UX and UI for short. He asks if you would like to redesign the Little Lemon website. This is a great opportunity for you to learn and put your skills into practice. You accept Adrian's invitation to redesign the website, and you just can't wait to learn more about UX and UI to help Adrian and to explore careers in the field. In this video, you will learn how to differentiate between the disciplines of UX and UI and identify the typical roles they fulfill in the product design lifecycle. You'll also identify the careers for a UX or UI designer in different sized companies. As an aspiring UX UI professional, it is important to know what each discipline is and what kinds of jobs there are in the field. Let's consider the Little Lemon restaurant and how UX and UI might be contextualized and differentiated within that organization. First up, UX. UX is not just about the Little Lemon website or app user interface. UX is about a customer or user experience with the Little Lemon business as a whole. The staff, the service, the food, the decor, the menu design, restrooms, and of course the website and apps. However, we will focus on the UX process applied to the design and redesign of the Little Lemon website. UX is about asking questions. Questions like, what are the customer's needs? What's stopping them from achieving their goals? How intuitive is the website to use? Can users order food easily? Can customers get from one section to another quickly and efficiently? Like selecting dishes and customizing their order. And it's about providing answers to those questions in the product. Now on to what the users see, the UI. The Little Lemon website in this context is the primary point of contact for the users. UI provides information that users first see and then interact with. Elements like type, color, buttons, shapes, icons, and images. Successful UI design has to do with grouping and assembling these elements in a way that helps users achieve their goals quickly and efficiently while looking beautiful and adhering to the brand of the restaurant. UX and UI both inform each other, and when used together, they can combine to make beautiful products that are a joy to use. For example, a UX designer will research and identify needs and iteratively propose solutions via prototypes. A UI designer will create logical and beautiful layouts and interactive flows informed by a systemized design library. It's worth noting that the roles within UX and UI can be as nuanced as the discipline itself. In different companies, these roles will mean different things. In a smaller company, a designer might need to fulfill both the roles of UX and UI, researching user needs, designing solutions, and coding them up. Whereas in larger companies, there may be specialized roles within the disciplines. For example, a UX researcher may focus on just research, and a UX copywriter may focus on the content, words, and the tone of voice used in your product's copy. Some UI designers may focus entirely on the upkeep and management of the design system, a repository of interactive elements and components, whereas others may specialize in accessibility, making sure to provide the best possible experience to users that may have impairments. What is certain is that knowing what is involved in each of these disciplines and applying them appropriately can give way to beautifully designed and usable products. Throughout this course, you will follow the redesign of the ordering element of the Little Lemon website, where UX and UI principles are applied. Then you will have an opportunity to apply them yourself in the table reservation element in the final course project. In this video, you learned about key differences between UX and UI and some job roles that exist in the product design lifecycle. You also learned about careers for a UX or UI designer in different sized companies.